negotiation the give and take. Ebia na bibi o ho a enuanum no enti o ho ase. Na bibi o ho a ebi kra ye esi o mkwan. Ye de efiri ho a na yi ehwe o mo so dia ebetimi a enyankabo mu bio. Enkabo mu no ho hia critical. We can't afford not to let it happen.
Edi na leadership no so ye to reach out to them. Omo to one am obi ana.
Menye executive member. Minimye say ye party ni hye mu no. Eba ne say bibia ya na mutu koso.
Ghana for you TV.
Ghana for you TV.
Ghana for you TV.
Abusiame mo akwa ba Ghana for you TV so. Ena na ani me share ma register subscribe. Like, comment na share na video no enkwa tire. Abusiame na honorable and Appiah Kubi Esquire. Aya former MP Emma Asante Achim of constituency. Ano ena na bedi nkomo. Ena wo chere say sanka the base mo empanyifo bi omni ni pa bi omwom no sanka omebesan o machi aba MPP dia enka be ye na nije pa anu a chere no sanso bedi nkoma no o chere chama Wontumi ne court case no awon sensem eni abusuan be yehuni a ekoso pa afa chama Wontumi ehun ye ntense mo kan ni bi ye ba ye bedi nkomo
bra ye din tansa bo no ko ken the treason or go to charge non a lawyer no ni and the base up any no no can caucus on a caucus what's that here no be send
and big can tell so then jemu we are we make us bia
the base so
omo ho kwan so omo ye because constitution bia eye ye beso ni pani e beso nyame ni be koso mi hu.
Okay.
Enti baba mu ikra.
Baba mu yo, who say they
you can say dey bin ka ho.
On ka ho. But who said there's a possibility to say the base movement omu nyina besan aba MPP. Is there a possibility?
Yempa bono.
Okay.
Na sabio negotiation the give and take.
Okay.
Ebia na bibi o ho a enuanum no enti o ho ase. Na bibi o ho a ebi kra ye esi o mkwan. Ye de efiri ho a na ehwe o mo so dia ebetimi a enyankabo mu bio. Enkabo mu no ho hia critical. We can't afford not to let it happen.
Na nei no what new patriotic party ye nhwe e dey na leadership no so ye to reach out to them omo to one am obi ana
miniaba menye executive member but minimye say your party ni hye mu no e ba ne say bibia ya na mutu koso nti minim say omo betu ho anamo e say ne America no yenso so e wase no omo etimi no omo kasa no yenso enu bi mu kasa ebi ni minua oh yes
okay
ebi ni minua ni share he obi ti say minua kan me share no amene ne be kasa ni akwa amene me madam fu pa bi o kan hu bi kasa
okay
me ka kire no say hu hia say nyina
no kan say
oh of course obi ni ho a obe free ni fie kwa ya na bibi o ho anti be free fie ho enti se bibi na wo ho no ye ka ho asem ye na anti ase to be honest with you Yankasa political communication, sometimes we get it wrong.
Okay.
And America say NDC, America say MPP. Ghana for nyina, mama yenya kumapa say, sa yimi ni echekra, yemfa kasade kasapa, emfa nchire. Na yana bedu bebi an kofu bin semo ya ekano yana anwoshi.
Anwoshi.
Sa unu nuye kasa, nuwa hwe ukasa emu yi. Enti se wa mnyeni sana ukakasa fun chire nwa. Retrieving it na difficult. Enti yana yinyina ye campaign minua Kennedy someone necrophobic kitchen I was talking to them in the background no Wontumi yes sir oh so na nya bia me ye to abano na me ni Dr. Baumiafa
oh now some they will make it clear said Dr. Brian
and me one
okay
then so enfima no somebody did Dr. Baumiafa for what if I don't agree with him on the subject matter I will state my position
sure
politely and also so it's allowed and me so me kase Dr. Brian T because we did obi atem we did that tem me we did obi atem mama me enye media I won't accept it and we need to develop a culture you be develop your thinking through competitive opinions and yet atibidi and now me nu akumai for Kevin Taylor obi send video bi breme osuso odi aba so o say bi menim say watchman MC if I don't know me na me ba o na obi say ne bra bi na me sire ya me da me wa bi say na me so abante bi say menim say watchman na menim say watchman ya no header wo different enti whoever dey change me say also dey try Kevin Taylor be now that yesterday so media it doesn't touch my body obi am me make ko play credit now so say be nim say watch my
but I mean on a more serious note you are handsome
me that's so watch my no person me bi o hana ka betu am ke
ya once you came free more bank one you don't mind you say eduma bonne ente se kro no okay do boss is lawyer boss
anka be president Mahama watch my akanye
Nkape.
Na kaze.
O kasa say what stating clear say bra na presidential prime minister ne koso na won support it that baba no ma wo kwan say didi na tem bibini na enkoyi a wa dwenkyere no wo be kire wo anidie kwan so
indeed
but na me bisasa now no ni nyina akwakogu does it mean say wo candidate na wo support na win nti emma wunya doni anigye support now the flag bearer
agro no senior tie no ye kwa yi baako ye yi baako no wi a ye nyina ye de baako
okay
indeed enu akra mre na me Dr. Bawumi afie na me report to him sema me minima akoso ni ade na Dr. Brian otukwa kakra me no so me ye busy kakra esese ye she se nyina ko bone kidom doctor ye se ye candidate ye ba ko
okay
enti ye ni obia foforo ka Dr. Bawumi ho enti se wuti ase se agurese ni edi na do hu kotomu it would be hypocritical say ukope ye wanya na uyonku nya ye nti wo se wo de wo nkoboa no da bi da be nya ne sa
as obasa we are selfish
they be selfish and wo yes na me hu me mi de wachi bio
oh
yes
I see. A very principled person.
Oh yes, minuaba. We are say tie de je. Ye nyina na ehihye ne ma se ebeyi so. Se bi o Nyankopon kura no, o ye selection no a on select ye nyina at the same time. Ye select on de, o kina ne ya select unia. Ade e chia be no nya ho otra e be du so. So enti ye wontwem se Nyankopon no nkasa. Enti obia o candidate anyi no. Brana beboa ye nyina candidate but yemfa we sunzu nye afutu sebse apiri bi edu ho a ya yenhwe ye di ye ne kasa mu yi asem bi ho mo kan na ne family no san ayedin enti wo kasa nyina no ya hwe yi obi ho no a okokura so okako pachewa eje yi ebi o hono mususu a ebi ayenum ayenka hu yi ebi ayenso ekomu a ekopache no ebe yi enti ya wo ko negotiation bi ayenhwe best fit candidates I do mbeko for negotiation anyesa obi o hokura hu nanimu ana ne buofu na nsusu patafo ho na o makuntokwa ho o se yekobo boxing o se o mo kunu gian na nsusu patafo bi na we bi do se table so ka say stop
say ujai okay lawyer do you regret say we Chema Wontumi lawyer?
Not at all. In fact, you're calling no. So ko edi sofo a ma ufa babru na dia so say sebi nipa bonsam kura ba me kenya mi se mo kire. So na sa na lawyer for tie. Wo best fa out no. Bra ye call wo no ka say I will defend all manner of persons who will come to me soliciting for my services.
Okay.
And to me, friends and Tom, Casa Antam New Year, Obi Obeba Hobia, a Sadia says, Buano,
and say, we in
Debbie, so ye. So if because of special default to be in your competence arrangement, no, area of law here person being represent with the mean competent and inti kame the minua we are or specialize amount na ombeboa na so say wo competence in the area there say we can to the best of your abilities.
The entire me bisa sa no say na sem ya there abeye topical issue a lot of people ewe interest ewo mu sesi aye kese a wo sha ase o kan the obi di watem and because of that ni issue yinti na sa team didie no e ba yinti na ma me bisa say unye no hu because say obi be fan ordinary ni no wote obi bia sebi obi ntimi ma me di watem but because of asemi hunti no ene wo gi atem didie e ma sebi nsem ni bi wo kra me kwa me ntimi bie ma no enye den ka ntina mi
sa na ira Yesu Kristo ono kra na sebi boni pata no ho so nsem we ka kire no ni die ye no nyina the life of Christ is an example for all of us.
Okay.
And to say betuwa na nsese mane yo nwa.
Okay.
Na emum lawyer dwuma no e training say tinipa na se act on his instructions, guide him through the law, and find favor for him in the face of the court. And he said, "Who can you say?" And you say, "You say your law no organ and the constitution. It say nobody is guilty until proven so." And he, brad, kuni a organ a chile say, "On your guilty idea." I say, we are not expected to establish innocence. The prosecution is expected to prove his guilt. And they say, because when to me and prove guilt within the law, beyond reasonable doubt. Then we find the avenue for him to seek release. And today, na independent in the moment, na one more kind of sassy, did you attempt to be a lawyer crowd did that. Na lawyer, Mr. B, Bonnie being and the Honamayana. Memum. Sanya tu a ubeba me homa mboa wo no sana tu biso a say enye se me pena semti anase metani nti na be select o client no the edmanuma obibiara edmanu fatano
okay the last time you didn't come on na wo ka na about bail conditions no ne ade na wo hammer on say see you very careful pa. From that time now till date, improvements be abana. Would we need ADD chances like such a be abana?
Well, in recent times, me take say be every now and then you see conditions be a buffer but emra form.
Still emra form view.
Emra form because the perform who be a very expensive. So we give you some more and emra form na you who say. Vengeance beyond in the ruling the in terms of bail application also. Wamama kwenye die enra penny bia me call ni mfa kwenye sunchia no. Mr. Mumin our Mine Workers Union General Secretary.
Okay.
He's fantastic human being.
Oh.
Enra me receive here on our office. I couldn't have asked for more. And the leadership of Mine Workers Union.
Okay.
And we will share in some negotiation. Congratulations.
Okay.
Now, some be and for Kafa Union for one here because say, but
and then I may charge someone I make us say, I send be a baby and only two sides. It's a mean Jinafa Kumbuating. I say, would see the other side and as opinion.
I was so impressed with his accommodation, his contributions to the debate. I learned a lot from him.
Wow.
Me channel no power na me congratulate you. Only the team no.
The team.
I was representing another group.
I see.
I said you go na me can't do that the whole program but I see. Thank you very much for yesterday and have a very good morning.
Meaning sir asama wudie o minor so fa o minor ho nti ese nipa dodo na eni die che wa make progress nei edu because me kai say papers no ebi ede baye want me get another chance to file witness statement ohun sama ko so you lawyer niti unim said obesi aka dane na sebi enko fa asam famba
the thing say procedure no an yefaso no. The law is the law in text and the procedure as we follow. enimi no kaboma ene law no enti law no de yakro ne da ho na procedure and sometimes chisem kakra na de ye ni nyina ne say prosecution bo kwadu wi prosecution ne be establish elements in the charges in the offenses na yaba no we the law for no betiase pa elements no tie say nine emra ne gina so
no
nti emra no bi ho ne gina 9 miensa so na se wo prove mienu kura na ba ko na meka ho a
we payo
so to be proven to me and saying, and I prove. Maybe let me take this opportunity. I mean, for education, it will be on causing fear and panic. I have been a lawyer in cases like that. Amina Muhammad, if you remember, Wuton, I was a lawyer in it. And the elements, no, and it's number one, publication of an event or an occurrence. Number two, falsity of the publication. Number three, the effect of the publication having caused fear and panic in the citizenry. Enti banisa na so opko prove say ampa there was a publication, ampa there was the publication was false, but obia ma say man yema yenia, so you wouldn't have proven the offense. So enti obi atutu wakum obi nipewu meda bia nipewu ye no as a result of infliction of pain bia obi na cause ye ampa on the cause ye, but the intent nipa na cause ye, which is part of the aggregate abetimi ama offense no ground bia na mango bi ana so otwe bi ana krantie bi na number bi na metutu akobo no akunu. Unfortunately, my baby take it ho bitutu na akobono.
Na maame no mum.
Yes, ampa matutu. Ampa etoni ne bono. Ampa etoni ne kunu. But na adwena na mu se na
intention.
Otwenu na mikunu. Na mikunu no anye ye ne kukumo. And the difference between murder and manslaughter. So, nipa di wu. But na nyama dwen se bikukumo. And ti se ba ni say ya prosecution also prove the elements of the offense. I say Wontumi why assignment or assign the mineral rights to somebody. Now we're gonna have so say for a valid assignment of an interest in land, it must be written and executed by the parties. And section 34 of the Lands Act. And I would say, Wontumi assign interest ama obia. And you may so the banach say, yes, I assignment no. Kata no so there is a valid assignment. Yes, a valid assignment ni ho dia to singa grow.
It's not valid assignment be any ho.
And we share case in more a motion to the court. It's a court, no. Assignment bia se ma Wontumi assign ana company na assign will be assign bia mo fa mara na yehwe bi
bibia say ni ho
na so criminal justice system no se ediwu na se nkrofo ka wan hwe a wadwe yo se entimi niu da da bi wo ho betime diu
sa
anya bi kro bi kra betim dia smartos
atoso
enti asem no ye de to so a enti ye mane nya ho ana se
ye mane nya ho
enene adia ya na sese ye nyina ye dwene ho na sese de ekoso wo man mu a biyam shishimi pa ni accused person turned prosecution witness a dangerous phenomenon
etia marana
so ehu
okay ni hu ni ene de
ni hu ni sese ye se me no miero mempe wase na se ya kire obi eda fiase ebia wo kan wakodi ewu na mempe wase mutino beko hu omo ani omo ma no se bia prosecutor no se ko ka se efia eka ene ka kire kura se nkukunu na ampa wono so ko kanisa ebia for a price so o kasa utimi kasa pa be you feel na me do aba be efia kwa edu
na obedia dance de amame
na obedia dance de amame etiawo ampa ne yi wo afimu ono a wagye tum se me na mekum nipa no ne yi na fimu ne na be witness na wo obo odin no for any reason you could be mentioned for any reason you could be mentioned
because be nipa no pen fa ho die entiness so be dan ne bu so
me no prepare de bi ho emfa asem we hu enti masase wo je enti hwe fa no be hyasem num na me nyao nipa be fa sa adwene de there are a lot of situations that make me justify bia me prosecutor eminu me Appiah Kubi woji masase makoka che prosecutor say eni nkasa na yemfa nya prosecution witness na yenya no na yemfa afianko afiafi ho amanya masase enti eba ne sa pe no be prosecution witness na ono se me na mekum no nipa no na so fia ne kan se mikuku no ebia wo ken na you are distant from it na yakofa woba as long as ono kasa ndi you are also an abettor of the crime anything emret bi chiw emret bi so
wona akoka se onko kase no
kase no kwa de
wo what Kubi ato ne tiri
wo akoka se onko kase no kwa bi wo akotena baabi na akobiye crutch no a okum nipa no ye di nemba ya man promise say ye jawo ya vanko to afiase bi onti ba be kafu afiaso is this a justice system so
wow in this case no chama Wontumi de ebi apiem because na shase no ne manager
temu nya hokra ye duru ho
okay
achisa sei samra boy obi a friend no Henry Inkum
okay
o se me ena metu agudie no me ena magwasase no so enipa wo ho no me na me de omokọ omo ye adwuma ma me eni ma amko hu etuo ni aboba ni ade amko ye nyina media agudie no omo tuo ni nyina omo de ama me ni amokoto ho no a ye nyamfa ma me no ye media ye bisa no se de bokoto no a wanya no chema Wontumi o mani bi dabi okay oba hoda dabi company no wo shares wo dabi
chema Wontumi wo shares wo mo dabi
you onkum no wo shares wo dabi prosecution witness ba ko dika no wonim chema Wontumi minim no da mehunu a agise TV so chema Wontumi wo ba sa so da o ma hoda chema Wontumi wo fa wadwuma wo fa badwuma chema Wontumi dia na wonim fa ho wo se me boss no e herinkum no na ka kire me se woni chema Wontumi kodi nkomo na chema Wontumi ma no kwan se onko asase do so dia onko tu me fatu je na onko asase do so na wo ho na mini ho
na wo ho no ni kodi nkomo no no ni ho
krata bi wo ho abahunu a kire se chema Wontumi ni na wo sa hye da bi ni ho wenu unkum no ba wo se mini chema Wontumi kodi nkomo se concession no dey man the company no akunta mining company no concession no dey man no krofo tutumu agu die akose asase na me pese me ko siesie asase so pese me ko kekegum na yedue kube na daachi bi na yetwa kube no a yemienu a chisikenu enti ma me kwa na me ko yes ade no
that was the agreement
ono na kan you
oh okay after Wontumi so jitum se sa na agreement no na ko ye
enti okudue kube no ama kube no wo ho sabe e kase na se wono so koduru ho no hu se ene obetu gudie no bi aka ho ono aso se adwuma o ye dada no na agudie tu o yes small man
okay small scale to come
ene ogina court no se hihye am ni chema Wontumi hihye no o kaka ho se minsantu agudie papa ne kasa o
so san kaka ho so ntu agudie
chema Wontumi so I can agree say there be
enye no kwesa but me bawo before okohu say yetu ehon mo pese okodua kube no na chema Wontumi ya we say ebi mo afa ekira kwa kotu no kwambo so ana
obi na chema Wontumi ahu say nkrofo kotu agudie wona ase enso ama watwero letter koma central western regional Security Council.
Okay.
Say nkrofo we omo akodi say nkrofo bi akodi gma we ti mo konko chichom.
Okay.
Amenya me cha de Western Regional Security Council no omo agiatum akọ akọchi nkrofo a boss abra no.
A wonim
wo.
Okay.
Eni ti wo hwa ya advertise your witnesses ya do mo ba. Ba ku ni chairman of the Western Regional Security Council then. Okay. Onu na oje secretary no ma yekutu yekwachi sa nkrofo. Obaako so ni former Minister for Defense. Onu na ye interministerial committee chairman for anti-guarantee squad. Mo release soldier for kokochire sa nkrofo. In evidence no mo aka say e chire nkrofo na China for okura ka ho. Na de obeka ni say omo we. Then na omo amochire omo guso omo ye adwuma no ni ade nyina mo agya omo. Na obi otini kuma sitini ba bi ono na ogina ho ye bodu kwa edu. Enti eno no ewo ho. Enti safo no omo ba bedidi adansi o. Se de ye kan nyina no kura na se je no kura. Ena nipa bi e ba bedi adansi omo nim industry no mu ansem no. Procedure faso industry bi ye be law no requirement under the law for somebody to acquire a license, permit, or whatever. Into one also baby adansi. Na you can't adansi for no criminal prosecution. You be say chema Wontumi obekwa ministry and minerals commission say what the mineral rights no mobi. Monsimu ni bibia sa ontro rete bia ma musa. Chema Wontumi company na contaminants no or concession no by the man or there. And so ansana betu na mo adwuma yi mu no. I just when your operating permit. Operating permit ni chema Wontumi be president na the company no o ma be apply bi. Wo si da bi o mu nyamfa ade bi ma. Che se o mu kura no o mu nya ahoboa se o mu be kwa koye adwuma no. Na obi a wo ye adwuma no ono akwa be ye report am mankrofo ya kwachi wo mu. So be encroaching the land. Ye kwa e ko tu so no mo ho. Ebi ni gold no a ye da ho sesi a no a Henry nkum no se eye ne dia. Wono so se onya kunta bia ma chema Wontumi. Enti wono chema Wontumi kura de se sebi wono de o kan kire mi se kanye se e ko kire sa nkrofo yi a eye at his instance anko ni mi se gold bi kura de baby. So enti ansem di no enti se ni penyantia se nyambotre ni dia se bia ye di wo ye be di mi so enti yenya botre ni yenya djuma. Okay. So pe ni encheche mu a wo dia ba nyina no me a menye lawyer ni ba sebio uti asem a wo apply common sense. Clearly no could see say everything is going in your favor. Da bi de wo say di mboni so ho wi ase. Say ebi ho no a ye be no pe o say odu han medua di si odu di ansa no wura o studio. Let's fun enchanto so ho ba ye twetwe bibi sa to na so. Ebi na pe Kubi na say the esi menim say wachimai. Oh no ya. Ebi na menim nya ofe. E ka ya so onya obaye. And so in this case, you think say I'm for being way to chant so koso or chama Wontumi so. So we have be too careful to come to such conclusions. Okay. Because I need a court in the court in a bit. And I mean me bon kru send your course. And the opposite can say we say Jesus Christ to your phobia. Say lead me not into temptation. Oh, but you think I'm leading into temptation? It is a crew in our ball honum. Ya bo okay. Ya bo crew in our hotel. You say, but Bamudin send me called down courts and be a court and a bubu cast. Any a bra judge, prosecutor, a real quite good bono, real prosecution, quite do bomba. We on another semasa. Enti emremu no kwanya wo ho se wo hwe se kwadu no abuni nyina ni evidence dey support nyina no in fact adwuma we ke court adwuma court no e be free bi so motu okay on its own ka hwe evidence na hwe se ne ye ka no ko bi ye di no pe ya ka court no ati was komodia koso die papa call no a e de ball no nyina so enti yetwa so eno so amaso a defense witness defense lawyers ebetimi aka say court we twadwe ko evidence no so adwe ye say nyina so nim enti ke be ya atwa so
okay
eno ni the friend submission of no case to answer eno ni file you know
na court
no so na Wontumi na ohwe asem no so enyina so sunti yema no enyina
ho na monkoso
enti ema no enyina no na court no ba ni yen so antoy adwene mu dey and yes da bi e be appeal enti ya file appeal against that decision
no
na appeal no wo ho no na the process e wo ho ebetime dia ba no application for stay of execution. Stay of proceedings.
Necessary ke enu njina ma appeal no no
emransa na atoso ena court no se da bi yentimi ntwen appeal nti enkoso
okay
na ebasa mrakwa mu no ye wo ho kwanya se ye bekwa enim kakra ne court of appeal enu no nye appeal against the decision but a repeat of the same process stay of proceedings process in the file will you repeat it at court of appeal enu ne ye no enu hu na miwa madam for no say menim say ade no na me prostate court no so that we so me prostate court no
but ona momra kwan na
so it say if you want to compete
nti no ruling ne dem buy
no ruling the ban no ya court of appeal so say there be omonye ntumti enko be defense
okay
it say ho na yewo anything na market say advertise a list of your possible witnesses they will witness statements be file very soon na ahwede nyame be
but say one say asemudie ekoso a sometimes you have the inner voice because you know very well say evidence and I say niema bi e kire se bia wasemo e de bia and what provided. Are you optimistic say it will go in your favor?
To be honest with you, say if I didn't believe in the case, I come in the crowd. Now, one thing though, maybe I may share in my practice, no me tie criminal law.
Oh, okay.
But me jai kra me pese me yebiu. In fact, see no.
I don't know jai.
I want to be case in send me back into criminal practice. Can me jai?
Ediana.
Yes, Eddie.
And time.
Time.
No, not time, but me say or time.
Time and they are na ye chire accused persons no. Ya na disturbing.
Okay.
Bi o ha we application for bail. Obi fa hu de e ya asresem. What's it hum? In premium ye nyino ye man bail. Na ya refuse the bail application. Now say na obi so ho chire no. Africa for titru. Ya na ye nije wo bi ho chire mu. Basa ya ne hame adia say ordinarily no say nkase na ye no obinum bo report say ye man maso a na obi hu kire no a na obi so sere eno na ya ne hame ntina mi ja criminal practice no in fact wo kai a Republic versus Amina Muhammad no na ye oback to in fact na bibia ni ho manya once the crayfish case me kura oba no so okofia Amina no pa me man wo number okofie kura me na minister kofie just this young lady onkwala mienu a yani ma na edina tumu a satam no kura wo kokoto kura ko defend no a edina etina police maria mu a na sare ndie mu hwehwehwe ubedu court ho no na yi na fi ho di Canada court na mi so eja me ka kitu timi enye sabi it was all disturbing sa na ye era Kennedy Japan treason case no afa kura no na yentimi hu court wa de no court ya ko defend no until I had to file a habeas corpus application or human rights court say they should bring him dead or alive until senior treatment of the man honorable Kennedy Japan that time I'm sure CBS or tie or no akasa bi di hu adansi near the custody ye you know back court enso ye hu court kro na fe ni ebrebre na ma me dwen hu say me file habeas corpus application in fact me senior Tacha ono nana o ye case no di ke yi na chi na bra o mo ye sa no na me ko file sa habeas corpus application because na me ne na ntu yes say onu chesi o na me so me ko human rights eventually no ye didn't buy human rights ho na enya bail man until we pain I be go through stress as even defense lawyer ya na ahomete so more so we say ye sisi obi gine fa hu die free nsem bramranu mahu kwansa na so woni hu hwe abeya frustrating ebi ho ko fie kra wontimi na it is oh yes say it me handle client kwan bi so na show criminal lawyer majai na we need chema wontimi die ndi obi ho no mu a
adenti na chema wontimi die ndi opeke
you go to support when you see obvious injustice.
Oh, so eno na we nsema we
eno motivation na high crime be untouchable. Abehwe na china na ugina baby say now Tanzania happened.
But Tanzania no be so feel say nipa na so ne ye e ka ho bi.
Well, there is a legal principle a friend ad hominem. Ad hominem no kire say nipa na ugina ho no. Enye ni ye bia wo ye no wanim eni ni subani nim bia nim no say Appiah Kubi de wonye there be the evidence before the court necessarily
eno na ye hwe
into here in the case of Republic versus Yura Chikata that principle no of ad hominem we say bra na Yura Chikata wo court ho no enipa no atiti ho no na sebi wo mo ye judges no bebre ye mram no mu no eye ne ma aye o ye senior che wo mu nyina ena bi wo hokura wo kire wo de papa na wo kire nipa mebre ade o ebi a wo behwe na judge no ni student nti o ho no ni nipa su nti nipa su ene di ni mra hihye mu ena wo yesa nti mu fa sa suban no enkyemutrim emua na ten na mu hwe evidence na wo ho no na mu fa enye adwuma eno ne ye frɛ no ad hominem principle.
Okay. Ti ba na mmeremu a yenhwe nipa ne ye
ebia Appiah Kubi hu da bia wa wiensa bro a ewie wa de begina ye ni wiensa na mabro no de mu pampiche
by evidence na da what will be so ho no a me hu videos a wonhwe bi on ma ya na nye Ghana ha say de ba hwe se bi no obi akwakoku obi ne de na ba begina eye judge ne bi asem de ne kono we bi judge ne ka bi hwe nipa no wasere no wa gusu ne ti upon my judge will say to me shana bufuo kra
enu no hu nkyekye ne kyekye won say masadi masadi ne show
sometimes as a nipa no being remorseful no so no in a way so play a
role say we are remorseful in fact attitude in court today e bo piu say wo ho no e bia woni mu ana be na wakodu judge bi na ye ne ma fata dabi we uba wa we mbakra eno obe jaja samre na wujana nim no die
so die ni die
onu na ye jaji wo ye lawyer no wo ye dwuma de aboa no nti wo more or less we officer of the court the president of the court is the judge nti wo ye officer of the court no we are the staff wo ye dwuma no bi de aboa no nti kwambie ni ho se wo kire no disrespect no kwambie ni ho sa
okay
enemo binmu a wonim no na begina ho yes an mo a mo a case no because nipa ye nipa mo say ordinarily no and say judge be influenced by conduct no but nipa sunti anhwe ya na nhihya wo ho so fa so no na obrenasi na nipa su no akosoro na anhwe na ubeye de ese se wo ye ditia no
nti so fa ne ma ekoso nyina prosecutor no nani so ade ho ne se eye wo client ne ye de ne betumu ana
mintimi nkasa won kansa nkyere mi
okay
nenso so de Ghana ye mra no appointed prosecutor no aye attorney general ne se ono kro no a osan ye minister for justice enti wo hyeche mienu mre bia no so hyeche mienu a ya na ehu hia so be ye careful se unya che ba ko so anything ya ne ka se bema o yiri bi no hwe se
obedo ha
na do bi nya bi timi ndo mienu a wa kaso so enti so hyeche mienu a so hwe se want to wadwuma a wukura as minister for justice nasi enti no prosecutor no e ka wadwuma ho no we are no kwa na eja we echira na we have yefum so enti eso make sure say you are fair, you are orderly, you are lawful, and you also uphold the rights of others. Enti nipa no a ojina wenim no, all those who prosecute no, make sure say who prosecute no within the law, taking cognizance of his rights, and also your responsibility as Minister of Justice.
Okay, now no, who fair idea when assassin you win na ebebe we na.
Many about me kase minim tamu na me boa. And see a witness is cry away from no. More professional than ordinary.
Oh, okay.
Because Kofa Ubia oye well versed in minerals law. Ubia oye ebia former minister. Ebia Odasuye member of parliament. Assignment Mibri. Until woman ye witnesses see.
Okay.
And they say on the second, they say Ubabe cross examination. On the
second of next month.
Assuming.
Okay, assuming, okay.
Be a second one year came. Or appointment. And I wouldn't say a witness and so a voluntary. Sabi we interest come witness you have a responsibility to come. And the SSA court no witnesses no manage time such that you bet me and I don't forget somebody's rights in issue. Somebody's human right. Nti won't mean kase. Chenchina se ne wa madia ene minti was there be we must have constitution no kwan say SSA manu adequate time to prepare for his defense.
Okay.
And even facilities. A video. Until you can say NSC professional we say be a doctor be omra me dance here. Na doctor no be the theater so can say change our mental be into yes sir. Emra no say no time, no adequate resources and facilities on for me the defense.
Okay.
Enti enunti no enipa no aye frɛ wo no ni court no sɛ o mhihye mu no timinya
minim sɛ wo ye lawyer ni de o mo se me ne other lawyers di nkomo a na me bisa sɛ ade be pa na ye ni gi asɛm wo akoma mo o se ma court na ma win me case ade ma me ni gi pa na I feel so fulfilled into this particular case you know at the end you know do you wish to come out victorious and I say you must say you come out victorious.
I want the law to prevail. There have been an occasion me could be a symbia dibi mo na me happy. Yes.
Would the assembly dibi so now you happy? Ade
me kai say client bi na or court na lawyer bi and di na sem na ono ankasa gitu mu say and kwasi na asase nyame dia crutch no odi me ba koto no na ne dia na emom masi dan si asase so me dia asase na ma han aka 3 years ansa na tenancy no ayendi eninti de me pa ne se ka wonti ase na 3 years no so na ka obefa na asase eni ne dan crutch no ba kuno wo si de bi wonti ase da o jidani sisi anti ama omo ntimi anya settlement enti lawyer no catch and say ono dey based on resolution dey man no court om ko any decision about na say so on pin so dey only onye interest onye case ni bio
okay
timi ho no ba be catch me sisi na tie in fact me so me catch ni say me nua lawyer no ba ko no dey o kan no no kware no catch no enti wa wajatum say asase ni nyawo dia dia na hu hia so betwe manso bebre naka enti yensanko pachew na yemfa papa no tia brichi no bae yemfa sika bi manu no mfa tua ne lorry fare ni ade na onko no ma 3 years no na tenancy no so na kemfa bibia ma yakoye kai enum sem nyina clutch no wantiase ni lawyer no wantiase enti ba sa na meka chense kusisi ayi se 3 years is anya ama omo tenancy ya enso so what trouble pa because nkofo no ade omde be yo enti na ne yenko court no na ehwe kwan e be fa so si e be manage case no say at least we will be in court within 3 years. Say Lusuha near Koha, be Lusa 3 years.
Now they delay.
3 years. That was so hot or no was over year that.
Don't be a much of that.
You call court to know. Ebra, yes, say a bed cross examination. Let me hold legal loopholes.
Oh.
Enti follow some you near the
Wow.
The dibim no, omo court of appeal. Court of appeal so
Mudibem.
Supreme Court.
Mudibem.
We na Supreme Court my cost. In fact, on that occasion, me bo beard because me body pay we say how much cost would you require? And I mean senior no so. In fact, lawyer on the other side was my senior. Now only me akasa. I can say Ebani say Obama me cost see na Matthias here. And the one I'm catch Judge say Megis Kasi for cost. Judge ba ko can say o catch be senior so you lucky. Say ka o can kese bi ake de be ma no because of industry or the core case. Enti yeah cost is no. Now to be honest, knowing what I was told in the case from the beginning, no, na who say catch the sisi no. Enti papa na catch him say me application for cost no. Na catch say yes sir. Na me mpe. Na wade ya waje yi wa wonim say nya odia. Na waje. Wo san ko gire cost aye day. Enti me de me je. Enti so obeji cost bia ko pay for lawyer for no je. And I didn't apply for cost.
Okay.
And the entry of judgment, na me entry of cost because na
how
say ban sa second tier say must have no na campaign sa na papa no
unso prim na koma no
enti ebra basa no ewi a kire nkwa me akwa wodi di bibi
o client no so di
so I say na mo brosem gum na me ye ma no
ave na ni sa so le tie no
o promise me so be my office is too ho
wanya
me dey bia we twem for no ja kwa we wa dey wa fa wa
I see
and sure say abusuawe and sama honorable and Appiah Kubi Esquire oya MP oya former MP at the Asante Achim North constituency Alonso and was signed so I chama Wontumi no lawyer. And sama wadi atudwa no. Ojina who say I sapa pepe. Na I chama nkra wo hwe ni mu say na sense makwa pie mo court no ye be mana afan abema na enya ne tirim adidi ma na say o hwe ni mu say kwa wie e wo baabi. Abusua ha aya Ghana for you TV. Na me share my rem so subscribe. Like, comment, na share the video no kwa chwe. Eba san so share won semfufom makram.
Ghana for you TV.
Ghana for you TV.
Ghana for you TV.
Yan kanta egumi so asew empanyimfo so ne wafuru duapa ne pia no ne opa bibia kokotoko ne nye nabro o konfo e ho na me scan Twitter ye na me kye wo mo me hyira wo ayo kase pia